Hello everyone, welcome back again. This is the task that I have completed for my data science and business analytics internship with the Sparks Foundation. So in this task we have built a model based on k-means clustering algorithm. It is an unsupervised learning model. Okay, and in this model we have to predict the optimum number of clusters and we have to represent it visually for the given iris dataset. Okay, so first step we are importing the libraries, all the libraries. Second step we are reading the dataset. Okay, we have read the dataset and we also printed the first three rows. Okay, now after that in the third step we are finding the optimal number of clusters for k means determining the value of k. For this we have written this code. Okay, here WCSS means like within cluster sum of square. Within is the sum of squared distance between each point and the centroid in a cluster. So in a cluster the sum of the distances between from the centroid to each point that is present in the cluster. So after that we are plotting the graph onto a line graph to observe the pattern. Okay, so in that we can see that there is like a elbow shaped pattern coming from this, and here the maximum deviation occurs too, and the deviation it's like somewhat stops at point 3 and it becomes very straight, very constant. It does not change very much. So after that we can choose like the point 3 as the number of clusters we can use in our model. So after that we can like apply a k means classifier. Here we have written the same code for this. Now we are visualizing the cluster data. For this we have choose three colors, that's pink, green and orange for this. After that we are visualizing the centroid for each of the cluster. Now we can see that the position of the centroid is like somewhat different, coming somewhat different, like in the lower end, in the middle of the graph area and at the top right corner. But when we combine the above two graphs, the position of the centroid it comes in the center of each of the cluster. So we find that there are like approx three number of clusters we can use to find out the desired output from this model. So that's in this video. Please share your kind feedback on this and hope to see you next time. Thank you so much.